Guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Anker Soundcore Life Q20 versus Sony WH-CH550. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content. And watch the video till the end.
Here you will see, this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about price. The price of Anker is $60 and the price of Sony is also $60. So both are equal. Now let's look at the design. The design of Anker is over ear comfortable foldable and the design of Sony is on ear lightweight compact. So Anker is better. Now let's look at the weight. The weight of Anker is 268 gram and the weight of Sony is 147 gram. So Sony is better. Now let's look at the battery life. The battery life of Anker is 40 hours with ANC and the battery life of Sony is 50 hours. So Sony is better. Now let's look at the noise cancellation. Active noise cancellation is available on Anker and no active noise cancellation is available on Sony. So Anker is better. Now let's look at the audio quality. The audio quality of Anker is deep bass, IRS audio certified, and in Sony balance out, DSW upscaling. So depend upon the preference. Now let's look at the microphone quality. In Anker, the microphone quality is decent for calls, and in Sony, clear call quality with beamforming mics. So Sony is better. Now let's look at the Bluetooth version. In Anker, Bluetooth 5.0 is available, and in Sony, Bluetooth 5.2 is available. So Sony is better. Now let's look at the multi-point connectivity. No, this feature is not available on Anker, and yes, this feature is available on Sony. So Sony is better. Now let's look at the build quality. In Anker, durable but slightly buggy, and in Sony, sleek and minimal build quality is available. So Sony is better. Now let's look at the comfort. In Anker, plush ear cups suitable for extended wear, and in Sony, lightweight but maybe less comfortable for long use. So Anker is better. Now let's look at the portability. In Anker, foldable design come with a carrying pouch, and in Sony, compact and lightweight portability is available. So Sony is better. And in the last, let's look at the charging. In Anker, micro USB 2 hours of full charge is available, and in Sony USB-C 3 hours of full charge is available. So Sony is better. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.